Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool walk-by video transition on CapCut PC. So first and foremost, I'm just going to add this person walking to the side. You can obviously use your video, go to cutout, and then select auto cutout. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to add a video underneath that. So I'm just going to quickly add in let's see, for instance, this one. And then I'm going to add in another video underneath that as well. For instance, this like space one. And then I'm just going to hit the mask button and I'm going to select horizontal and I'm going to split it this way and I'm just going to feather it out a little bit. And hopefully it covers it. Well, it's going to be like this. Make sure you go from like out of the camera and then go in, but I only have this video, so. Then you're just going to want to keyframe it to when this person's like moving in front, like so. Until they've hit the end of the like frame basically. And you kind of want to have him going out, but like again, the video is kind of like here. I'll just quickly add in a keyframe of it just going out, but you want to like actually go out of the frame. And I'm just going to do that. Let me just go back to mask and then close out the feather. And that should be it really. Again, I'm just going to scale it a little bit up. Okay, let me just create a compound clip first. Hold on. So I can scale it up. And that's pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.